Hey folks, it's Erik Goins from Flywheel Studio here. I am going to be making a series about RevenueCat Shipaton. So this is going to be a bunch of videos from start to finish, going through how we think about applications at Flywheel Studio, how I think about apps, and how we think about building those applications, taking them to market, how we go through the entire process. I'm going to show it all to you in this video series. I don't know how many videos this is going to end up being, probably over 20 or 30, but they will be in tiny bite-sized clips based on how I go through this process. And I'm going to bring you up to speed on where my app is now. And then we will continue producing videos day by day as we go through this process. So follow along, hit subscribe if you want to get notifications of when these videos come out. And with that, let's get into what my app is in the next video.